Hey, I'm Danielle. Welcome to OU6. Welcome to Saturday. This is me, Danielle. This week's theme challenge is 15 facts about yourself. And my video is going to be a little different. I'm going to talk really fast because I have a time schedule that I need to make. Anyways, let's just get started with this video and hopefully you like it. Thanks. Fact number 1, I am black. Fact number 2, I live in Minnesota. The weather is great. See? Fact number 3, I have superhuman strength. Haters, come mess with me. I make it rain. Fact number 4, my favorite color is purple. See? Fact number 5, I have 2 pets. This is my dog. Say hi. Hi. This is my brother. He's also a dog. Have fun. Fact number 6, I'm 14. Fact number 7, I want to travel everywhere inside America and outside of America. Please make this happen by liking this video and commenting and just getting us out there. Thank you. Fact number 8, I used to live in New York. Oh, how I miss those days. Fact number 9, I live an hour away from Connor Franta. If you are wondering, yes, I do stalk him. Fact number 10, I'm an underground rapper. My name ain't D-Dog Daily, and I'm about to spit some hot rhymes at you. Boom, 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 boom. Yeah, my name's D-Dog and I'm better than you. I'm better than you. I'm better than you. I got phone, I got shoes. Boom, boom, boom. Shoes and phones. Everybody knows they are the best. But I'm not a rapper. Fact number 11, I love singing. Remember those walls I built? Baby, they're tumbling down. They didn't even put up a fight. They didn't even make a sound. I found a way to let you in, but I never really had a doubt. Standing out of your halo. Fact number 12, I love fashion. That's why I do all these things like wear dresses and necklaces. Fact number 13, I love makeup. I'd show you it, but there's people downstairs. Whatever, I'm not scarred. This is the riskiest trip ever I've ever taken. If I don't come back alive, please email the cops. Thank you. We've arrived at our destination. This is a counter full of makeup. This is my section. If you touch it, I will punch you. Thank you. Fact number 14. I absolutely love YouTubers. I don't know. I just think YouTubers are better than people that don't do YouTube videos. If you watch these videos, you're also cool. I love you all. Thank you very much. I'm so monotone and I don't even know why. Fact number 15, I can do a backflip. Now, I don't know if you guys know this about me, but I'm super talented at what I do. So please don't do this at home. Make sure you have precautionary measures and you wear the right things. I am now changed. Let's do this challenge. So obviously this is a dangerous stunt, so I have laid down a safety mat just in case I die. 1, 2, 3. I don't even know how to flip, boy! I tricked you. Well, I hope you liked this video. Don't try anything I did at home. Thank you very much for watching. I love you all. I'll come back next week. Also, there's a bunch of social media links in the down bar. If you would like to check me out, please do. I love you all. Good night. Peace out, America.